बाल मेरे डैमेज हो गए तो?
Mom, can we plan something this weekend?
For what?
Just like that, some activity.
नहीं दीदी, क्या जरूरत है?
Brunch outside?
घर का खाना तो है,
Movie theater?
OTT है.
So, I stopped trying to make excuse and thought of something a little more practical. Okay, Mom, listen. I want to do Miko.
हाँ तो हेयर कलर से अच्छा क्या है?
At home?
हाँ,
बाल मेरे डैमेज हो गए तो?
why are you so worried? With Ganyo.
Is it safe?
It's yours. With Ganyo. अभी Zepto से order कर.
Okay, done.
For her, it's simple. With Ganyo, it's already a yes. Now I also trust Ganyo. Get yours now from Zepto at 15% off.